So we've looked around the house, we've looked in the soffit, we've looked on the roof, front of the house, back of the house, trying to find the dryer vent escape, and we haven't found it yet. Oh look, Josh, I found it right here. What?
That's crazy.
That's crazy, huh?
It's covered, huh?
Yeah, you can't even see it.
That's crazy. All right, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Ready.
Bro. Whoa. Whoa, look at that dude.
What was that? What the heck is that?
Oh, shit. What the heck is that? That scared the whole shit out of me. Get out of there.
You were like, roll a frog.
Ooh, you big old toad.
Whoa, we did not expect that to happen.
He wanted the heat. Look, all the heat that was coming out of there. He wanted the heat, so he made a home in there. He's like, hey, you woke me up. What are you doing? Your buddy in there too? Get out of here, fat boy. He's like, I haven't jumped in months. Is there more of you in there?
Man, this is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be a clean right here.
This is gonna be absolute insanity.
All right, how does it look in there?
Let's take a look with the flashlight.
All right. Pine cone? We're right
There, that's pine cone.
there. Ooh, it's clogged. Ooh, let's get this bad boy cleaned.
One frog plus one pine cone. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Clean Forest 1. So the frog dryer vent, it was crazy. We ended up, uncovering all the dirt. The frog appeared, it was wild. We ended up cleaning all that out, but we didn't record any further video. So just wanted to follow up and let you know what happened. What we ended up doing was we took out a pine cone, we took out a grocery store bag full of lint, and then we ended up cleaning everything out with the vacuum, sucking all the extra lint out. We put the cover back on, and that was it. We didn't return the frog though. He stayed out. Next video you're gonna see is we went to clean this house. We were cleaning the air ducts. They asked us to do the dryer vent. So what we did was we pushed our brush in there, and immediately we hit a clog. Wasn't but a few lengths of the brush in. We hit a clog. So what we had to do was we had to climb up into the crawl space in the attic, and then we actually had to cut around the vent, the ductwork, separate the ductwork. And what you're gonna see Josh pull out a large clog from each side. We cut right in the center, pulled out a clog from each side, and that filled up also another grocery store bag, like a Walmart store bag full of lint and dryer lint. And you're gonna check that out.
It is totally blocked. See that there? Right in there. Woo! Have to cut it open to clear it because our brush would get stuck right there and it wouldn't go further. So here we go. Whew, it's a lot.
Big time blockage, huh?
Yeah,
Man, look at that guy.
look at that guy. Woo-wee.
Wow.
Yeah, and then we have some more right here. Our brush couldn't get past that. Oh man. Look at that.
You guys have a big clog in there. All right. You got the bag? All right, hey, real quick. If you like our content on the dryer vent videos and all that we post there, if you like seeing us clean out the dryer vents and everything that comes with those, make sure you leave a comment in the comments section below. Let us know, and then we will post some more videos for you.
Take a look at that. So the dryer's on. And that bad boy is stopped up.
what we got.
I think the most difficult part is going to be getting to the back of the dryer because it's kind of heavy.
Here we go. Ooh-wee. Take all the guy out. Oh man. Oh yeah, that boy is. Look at that. Ooh.
Big time.
Okay, hopefully there's no snakes in here. Take that guy out. Oh yeah. I'm like, whoa! Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, it goes in a cubit length. And then it drops down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look at all that right there.
That was big time.
So that's probably a good amount of it right there. Here we go. On the other side. Clean that all out. I gotta put all this inside the bag.
was the first one. Woo. That was a lot. Came from this bad boy off of here. So, looking way better than it was before. We gotta do 2 more. All right. This is the second one. Not too bad, right there. Not too bad in here. We'll see what comes out of it. Alright, so far this is what we got. Our battery died on us for the brush. Got a new battery. That was the first one again. Woo! There's the second one. Andy's on the other side. All right, there is the second, and that's the results. Woo. Now we're on to the last one. One more. All right, here is the third one. Third one, the hose not too bad. Inside there not too bad, but no telling what's all the way through. So here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, out of 1, 2, 3, this is what we got. 1, 2, 3, the results. Woo, got a good clean. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. All right, the roller brush did a job on that dryer vent. We're gonna see what is in this bad boy. Ooh, bad boy is full to the brim.